So my name is Adrien and I'm a software engineer at PicoBrew. So how I heard about PicoBrew was at my previous job at Microsoft. I happened to know and meet people who work here. So after 10 years at Microsoft, PicoBrew was a spot on my radar that became more and more interesting, and I ended up jumping on that new adventure, essentially. So what part of the Z did I work on? Pretty much everything of the Z firmware, because we rewrote the whole code base because it's a new chip. And recently, this past week, we've been working on the sous vide feature, which is not the most challenging part, but we have to figure out some of the details of how that thing will work.